Modern manufacturing facility exterior. Cinematic lighting.
The moisture levels here are spiking.
Yeah, I'm getting a reading of 35% behind this wall. We need a sample.
Here we see the fully formed latex moving along the conveyor system after the dipping process. They will now enter the drying phase.
The inspection process is critical. We look for any subtle imperfections or surface flaws to ensure the highest quality control standards are met.
The inflation test rigorously checks the elasticity and strength of every single condom. They are filled with a large volume of air to
A
precise layer of medical-grade lubricant is applied to each condom to ensure maximum comfort and effectiveness.
The rolling process is critical for proper application and effectiveness.
The machines precisely count and align each unit before it moves to the sterile sealing stage.
Seal integrity confirmed. The lot number is clear. These are approved for packaging.
The focus on maintaining freshness and hygiene is paramount, with each condom sealed in protective foil packaging.
Each batch number is precisely applied for quality control accountability.
Automated systems verify the weight and seal integrity, ensuring every condom is correctly packed before it leaves the factory. In our state-of-the-art facility, we ensure optimal temperature control to guarantee the highest quality.
From this state-of-the-art facility, millions of units are prepared daily for shipment, ensuring safe access.
The elastic recovery test highlights the material's ability to regain its original shape following substantial elongation.
By meticulously testing every batch, we ensure the safety and comfort of the consumer, significantly reducing allergic reactions.
The lubricant compatibility test confirms the coating remains stable even under extreme tension, ensuring product safety.
We test the pH balance to ensure compatibility with sensitive skin, typically aiming for a slightly acidic range.
Maintaining sterility within the isolator is paramount for accurate verification and medical hygiene compliance.
As you can see, the tensile strength on this batch dipped below the threshold
Yes,
here.
but the automated optical inspection flagged these immediately. Human review confirmed the defect.
The final human verification involves a meticulous spot check, examining the texture and finish of each individual sample.
Analyzing the defect allows us to refine the manufacturing process and ensure compliance.
The batch meets all quality standards. Approval for packaging release. This is the core of the smart factory, a continuous feedback loop where real-time data is fed back to the manufacturer.
This is how we sustainably source natural latex. The rubber is carefully tapped from the tree, ensuring the health of the forest.
Here at the plant, we treat all industrial water through this multi-stage filtration system, ensuring only
Our low-energy curing ovens are central to achieving significant carbon emission reduction, paving the way for sustainable industry.
Condoms are highly differentiated by size, such as snug fit, regular, and large, as well as by type, including ribbed and ultra-thin varieties.
The educational leaflet must be securely placed inside the box to ensure safe and informed use.
Here we see the final stage of consumer-ready packaging, where individual units are rapidly boxed and sealed by the automated machinery. Rigorous inspection of our tamper-evident seals is how we guarantee consumer trust and safety.
This specific claim is unsupported by the data we received.
And the font size on the allergen warning is too small. It's non-compliant.
Secure pallet wrapping is essential for transport safety.
Pallet 22 Alpha is secure.
Confirmed. That keeps us ahead of the distribution target.
We are committed to ensuring global access to contraception, delivering vital supplies to even the most remote regions. To ensure maximum shelf life, all produce must be stored in a meticulously monitored, temperature-controlled environment like this one. As you can see here, the temperature is optimal. We organize by expiration date to ensure proper shelf life and reduce waste.
Our state-of-the-art facilities ensure the highest precision, backed by stringent ISO and medical device certifications. Prevention is key. This protective barrier shields healthy cells from invading threats.
This facility produces 10 million condoms every single day, operating 24/7.
This facility sets the benchmark for sterile manufacturing. Hygiene is our top priority.
Proper doffing procedures are critical. Carefully roll the suit away from the body, keeping all contaminants contained before final disposal.
Our manufacturing philosophy is rooted in precision. Every single unit undergoes rigorous testing to ensure unmatched reliability.
The future of our world depends on the actions we take together today. It is our shared social responsibility.
Each package is electronically tested and hermetically sealed to ensure maximum protection.